Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jowa Makinay. And today we'll be reviewing the jingji SR16 Stoner Rifle. Nice. This unit is lent to me by Sir Brian Nugala. He's a customer of mine. And this was bought from Sir Jonathan Neri from down south. For around 11,000, if I'm not mistaken, somewhat around that. Uh, this is made by Jingji, so it's an all nylon, beautiful nylon construction with real trades. Trades there, trades, so nice. Yeah, trades, and also Mo, No, not Mo. Yes, it's true, Mo. It's Mo. Magpul. And actually, looks really nice. Typical Jingji plastic. Uh, you can totally see the difference between a Jingji and a Saima. Well, Saima's an entry level, but still looks and feels very different. This weighs around 2.1 kilograms, so it's a bit heavy. And there, it comes with a low capacity mag with, again, markings. Very nice. It has ambidextrous mag release. Like, as a lefty, it's nice. Also, left and right, ambidextrous. Again, it also comes with the ambidextrous fire selector switch, which is a love-hate relationship for me, because as a gunsmith, it's very hard to open. It's another complexity that uh, doesn't give much performance, or it's a it's a nice to have. But anyways, it have several sling mounts, which is nice. Here, for the quick detach ones. It has rail covers. Metal flip up sides. Press to. No, just flip and flip. And it's also adjustable, working adjustable sides. But then again, this is gel blaster. You typically do not need it, but it's nice to have. Metal flash hider, nice. And it's a little bit extended, the inner barrel, so you can easily add a half up there, or it's within, it's recessed, so it'll be quite difficult to adding a half up. I think the Jingji one that I made will fit this one. It has a very nice magpul hoge stock. You see, it looks very nice, but then again, limited battery space. Comes with an X30. No, I think we changed this one to an X30. I don't remember actually. Sorry about that. Nice, very nice. At 2.1K, very heavy. It has a nylon receiver, nylon, beautifully made nylon. It also has a metal gearbox, that's why it's heavy. The not legendary, the famous or infamous, depends on you. GSL split. GSL? Yeah, GSL split gearbox, the orange one. Yeah, see, orange is there. So somewhat easy to upgrade. But then again, I don't know if that's a lemon. There was a person who used this, a GSL gearbox, and was able to break the upper. And that gearbox is expensive, around 4,000 pesos. So, Well, anywho, as long as it looks nice. Oh, it doesn't also have a mag prime again, as usual, but it has I don't like it, so I don't remember what it is. Fake bolt. It has a working bolt catch. Bolt catch. Wait, eh? Bolt catch. And I forgot about it. What do you call it? Moving thingy. Anyways, uh, overall, and then oh, it has a 200 no 330 barrel, so it's still long. Mm, is it, it gives around 220 fps and average on this simple spring, so also quite nice since hand stop and the rail cover, even there's no right here, it's nice to hold. Overall, for 11,000 pesos, I'm not really a fan of jingji, but it's a stoner rifle. See, stoner. This was a bit lower, around 8,000 pesos. Maybe I would buy it for myself. But again, it's a jingji. It's a jingji. So it's nice. Is it worth the 11,000? It's up to you. If you have the money, if you like the unit, why not? That's the most important thing. We are happy. Okay? Damn all the negative comments. Anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment box and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!